In a fast-changing world, where consumer preferences are fluid in nature, a few beverage brands continue to enjoy rock-solid loyalties. Thanda matlab Coke. And there are 3 letters that help maintain its cool quotient. Pepsi is Oi Bubbly. And there is one name that enables it to retain the fizz. Aquafina promises purity guaranteed. And there is one guarantor that makes this promise possible. Kingfisher is the king of good times. And there is one factor that helps spread such good moments. KHS. Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Aquafina, Kingfisher, Royal Challenge, and there are several other brands that the KHS factor continues to empower by ensuring that their inherent promise remains intact. Through innovation, through commitment, through world-class filling and packaging solutions. KHS, filling and packaging worldwide. For over a century, KHS has been an organization committed to innovation. KHS India, a 60-40 joint venture with KHS Germany, was formed in 1997. However, KHS's association with India goes back to the early 90s.
In the year 1990, when Pepsi came into India, one of the first lines which our partners contracted for was an integrated KHS line. This was a very flexible line, and I think that was one of the reasons that made us go for KHS.
KHS India was based on a unique value proposition.
So if you have a combination with Indian metallurgy, Indian technical people with relatively low cost, at the same time the technical input from Germany, that is a healthy combination.
This combination worked wonders as KHS India committed itself to continuous learning.
SAB Miller's entry into India was at a time when the industry was certainly in an emerging phase. While looking for supply partners that could deliver our plant needs and solutions, KHS helped us deliver the first 21,000 bottle in our line and also develop capability in our own maintenance and operational teams to enable us to leverage total cost of ownership.
Over the years, KHS India has aligned its operations with customers' business requirements.
One thing I need to really acknowledge is KHS have really understood our business cycle, and they have geared themselves up in terms of delivery timings to supply equipments and install and commission them right before our season starts.
In less than a decade, KHS India has supplied a wide array of bottling plants to almost every Indian beverage maker.
We've had a very successful supply partnership relationship with KHS, and I think that's an indication of the level of maturity that KHS brings to the relationship.
These relationships are much more than just supply partnerships.
So KHS has been not just an equipment supplier, but they have been our proactive business partners.
And it is these partnerships that have enabled growth.
Our association with KHS has been very fruitful. We know that they are at the cutting edge of technology. KHS therefore is a perfect partner for our growth.
KHS India today has some impressive credentials. 25,000 square meters of production facilities, over 450 fully functional installations in India, and most significantly, its unchallenged status as the supplier of first choice for the beverage industry. KHS India, the supplier of first choice for the beverage industry. KHS India has successfully adapted the German technology to Indian business requirements and continues to bring together the best of both the worlds.
KHS is a provider of choice for us in India, and we had been buying equipment from outside India, and we had been buying equipment from within India. The equipment from India was not of the same standards. The equipment from outside was more expensive. KHS came as an answer to both the queries: Indian equipment with German technology.
At KHS India, technology assimilation is an ongoing process through regular knowledge sharing between all the KHS operations worldwide.
The equipment supplied by KHS in India are at par with whatever they are making it either in Brazil or in Germany.
KHS India's quality processes are in line with the KHS global standards, and it is the adherence to stringent quality processes that has made it synonymous to reliability.
KHS reliability for equipment for us has been A grade. I mean, there is no question about it.
The fact that we continue to buy from KHS in larger numbers should tell you that we are satisfied with the reliability of our equipment.
KHS has always come out with solutions which has high reliability, which is a built-in factor, and a strategy for manufacturing which is most cost competitive.
KHS India also has an excellent reputation in after-sales support.
Certainly when faced with breakdowns, we've never been let down by the KHS team. Speed and turnaround has always been very rapid.
You are just a call away is all I would say, and there are no barriers. We can call upon KHS engineers any time of the day or night, and I think so far they have worked 24/7 for us.
No delivery overruns, ready spares inventory, round-the-clock technical support, and a simple credo: service with a smile. KHS India, the supplier of first choice for the beverage industry. India has emerged as one of the biggest markets for global beverage brands, and KHS India is gearing up to cater to the increasing demands.
The market is growing at a fantastic rate, and with all the global competitors coming in, we require better machines, we require better process technology, and KHS plans fit in beautifully, because this is how it will be possible for Indian companies like us to produce world-class products.
With the setting up of new manufacturing facilities, KHS India intends to ramp up the production capacity to cater to the Asian and other international markets. KHS has the expertise to set up completely automated bottling lines. However, what gives it the edge is its ability to innovate and customize solutions.
And I would say, in terms of introducing technology for filling of water, which is a difficult thing to do under any circumstances, KHS have been very innovative in tailor-making equipment which is just fitting our needs.
Having grabbed an enviable market share in India, KHS continues to be sensitive to the needs of the industry.
I think KHS here has played a very, very proactive role, recognizing that the Indian public at this point of time is not able to pay for high package costs. They have been bringing in appropriate technology where the equipment has been provided to us at what I would call as affordable rates. All this has been done by KHS without compromising anything on the quality of the equipment or the delivery of the output.
KHS India is a people-centric organization and owes its success to its dynamic team of professionals. A team that is dedicated to manufacturing excellence and which continues to believe that excellence is a journey, not a destination. KHS, we believe in nurturing relationships, not just with all our customers, but also with our customers' customers. And every time someone somewhere flips open a cool can or unlocks the effervescence or lets the good times flow, we feel touched, because every such moment of joy, every such fulfilling experience, every such radiating smile essentially means we are a step closer to becoming the de facto global standard for filling and packaging of beverages. KHS India, the supplier of first choice for the beverage industry.